Not every day for Oreo.
I like Oreo.
Yeah, I know, but alternate, okay? It's not the same every day. Except only your rice. Rice, if we have red rice, or mostly white rice. And chicken, adi. Finger, nuggets, or chicken. That's all. At least that you must to be it. Must to eat, what's that to your breakfast, lunch and snacks. I told you how many times you must to eat. Because that one is good food and it's good that your stomach is full while you are studying in this school. Okay? So that you will not tell me you are hungry or to the miss. And you have food, you have snacks. You can take it, you can eat if you want. Don't make it arte-arte.